Be fishing with this spinning reel. It's the Apple Garcia Vengeance spinning rod and a Kastking Zephyr. Got this little green pumpkin and chartreuse tip worm. See if we could get any bass. Nothing. Alright. Oh, top water. There we go. First bass of the day. He hit it as soon as it was going over the little reeds. Let's get this hook out real quick. What is going on here? Oh, there we go. Ow! Hooked myself. Check it out, y'all. Here it is. First bass. Little one. Thanks for biting, buddy. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a better size too. It's a better one. Look at that. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Hold on, buddy. There it is. Better sized one. Bigger one compared to the last one. Alright, let's get it back in the water. Little belly, little healthy bass. Oh. He wanted to do a couple backflips. I didn't see how many more we could get. Got this little popper tied on, Rebel popper. I'm gonna try and see if we can get any top water bites from here. Oh, it has real nice popping sounds. I had gotten a, what's it called? A Strike King KVD splash popper. So it was a little bigger than this one, but the popping sound is just unmatched compared to this Rebel. I love this Rebel popping sound. But, oh shit. Damn, I fell. But I'm not gonna lie, the other one does catch more fish. The other one's a guaranteed fish catcher. See if we could catch a fish down there. Last cast. You know what? Fuck the last cast. Throw it down there. You don't catch nothing there, then we'll just give up. It's gonna be super extremely slow top water. You gonna make it sound like a little bluegill eating. Little tiny pops only. Maybe this is what they like. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna work it like a jerk bait. Oh, I'm on! Finally! On the popper. Got one on the popper. Biggest one of the day so far, I guess. Yep. This feels like a better one compared to the other two. Check it out, y'all. Bigger one on the popper. Last time I almost hooked myself, so I'll just take it off with this. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. There he goes. Ow! Damn, this guy's teeth is sharp. That's a good sized bass though, I'll tell you that. Good sized bass, huh? Alright, let's get him back in the water. Thank you for biting, buddy. Thank you for biting. Fish with the swim bait for the last couple. 10% battery. Oh, we're on. That was fast. Oh shit.